Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So yesterday we spoke about only one scenario, which was the bullish scenario. We did not want to short this market because the trend is quite strong. Alright? We'll have a look at what's happened today. It's been a really good trending day. We'll have a look at what's happening today and what the view for the next trading days. I think it will be either Monday or Tuesday, depending on the holiday. Okay? Chalo, let's have a look at what has happened today. Now, what we said yesterday was because the overall market had trended, what we would want is a move that would convincingly break the highs, make a 3-minute pivot, and then break out. This is what we wanted. You can have a look at the earlier video. It is what exactly happened. 3-minute pivot was formed here, and this was a valid trade setup with a valid stop loss, and your target was very quickly achieved. What should one do after this target? अगर आपको लगता है कि बहुत ही ट्रेंड होने वाला है तो आप हाफ यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट कर दो और हाफ राइड करो. What a person like me would do is just book profits here, wait for my next day, wait for the next setup, because this game is all about discipline. तो जितना डिसिप्लिन आप होंगे उतना ज्यादा बेटर होगा. राइट नाउ व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट for Monday or Tuesday. Now, let's mark the day's high, whatever it is. For example, we'll mark it here. Now, because this is a trending day, what we would want is a break above the day's high, 3-minute pivot, and then break out. This is what we expect on a 3-minute time frame. This is what we would expect. But one thing I want to tell you, जब इतने अच्छे दिन होते हैं ना, तो मोस्ट लाइकली ये सेटअप अभी फेल होने की टाइम पे है. तो what we would want is to take half risk or 1/4 risk. That will keep us, that will save our profits that we have made. ठीक है? Am I looking to short this? No. Even if there is like some kind of fall like this to the moving averages, I am not looking to short this and play this move. Instead, I would be waiting for this dip to go long again. So, why I don't want to short? Because the market, Bank Nifty, is trending in a very significant way. तो मेरे को क्यों दिमाग ट्रबल में डाल के क्यों ऐसा उल्टा सोचना है कि अभी गिरेगा तो मैं ये ट्रेड करूंगा. नहीं, अगर गिरेगा तो गिरने दो. we'll wait for a couple of days and then we will look to short. We won't look to short just like that when the closing and the buyers are very strong in comparison to the sellers. Overall, for the next few days, आप हाफ रिस्क के साथ करो, because now earning season is coming, right? The big banks are going to give their earnings over the weekend. तो थोड़ा सा volatility ना increase हो सकता है. तो थोड़ा सा डिफेंसिव खेलते हैं, थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस को थोड़ा नीचे लाते हैं, थोड़ा डिफेंसिव खेलते हैं. ठीक है, चलो बाय, सी यू ऑन मंडे.